Isma. Number 48, Tamarin Fahadi. Number 49, Murusha Bashir Isma. Number 48, Tamarin Fahadi. Number 49, Murusha
supported by an affidavit of Benjamin Katana Kajiremire, and advocates and treasurer of the National Unity Platform. The brief grounds as contained in notice of motion were as follows. 1. That the applicants have a right to apply for bail as per the Constitution. 2. That the applicants were arrested and charged with offense of unlawful possession of ammunition, contrary to Section 3, Subsection 1 and Subsection 2 of the Firearms Act. 3. That the applicants have sureties and fixed places of abode within this court jurisdiction. 4. That the offenses with which the applicants are charged are bailable by this court. 5. That the applicants will abide by conditions this court will impose. 6. That the applicants will not interfere with investigations. Counsel for the applicant then presented the following sureties to court. 1. Dr. Serdiga Lina, Vice President of NUP. 2. Mr. David Louis Rubongoya, Secretary General of NUP. 3. Mr.
Inciting violence and of violent conduct towards police officers when he has not been with them. My Lord, the deponent does not mention any specific act by the respective applicants on which this court can base to deny them bail. My Lord, we all know that these applicants are presumed to be innocent of any allegations